This one looks simple, but watch out, we might fall into a trap. Let's see what happens. In this equation, the square root is already isolated on the left-hand side, so we can square both sides to get rid of it. Let's bring down the left side and square it, and we get square root of x plus 3, all that squared. And then bring down the right-hand side and square it, and we get x minus 3, all in parentheses, squared. But remember, this step can create extraneous solutions. We'll talk more about that in a minute, so stick around. Remember, squaring is the opposite of taking the square root, so they cancel out and we are left with just x plus 3 on the left. And squaring the right side gives us a perfect square trinomial, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now, let's bring everything to the right side and get 0 on the left side. We'll start by subtracting 3 from both sides, so we can cancel out the plus 3 on the left. 3's cancel out, and we get x equals x squared minus 6x plus 6. Then we'll subtract x from both sides to cancel out the x on the left, and then we are left with 0 equals x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay, and the next step is to factor the right-hand side, and we get 0 equals x minus 6 times x minus 1. And by the zero product property, we get potential solutions x equals 6 or x equals 1. If you're not sure what the zero product property means, leave a comment down below and I'll explain it. And if you already know, maybe help someone out who doesn't. But wait, here's the trap. Remember, squaring both sides might have given us fake answers. Let's test them. So to check x equals 6, we have to plug into the original equation, and we get square root of 6 plus 3. Is that equal to 6 minus 3? Or is the square root of 9 equal to 3, in other words? Is 3 equal 3? Yes, it works. X equals 6 is a solution to this equation. Alright, well, what about x equals 1? Plug in, get square root of 1 plus 3. Is that equal to 1 minus 3? Or is the square root of 4 equal to negative 2? Does 2 equal negative 2? Nope, that doesn't work. And it is called an extraneous solution. So here's why that happened. When we square both sides, both negative 2 squared and 2 squared give you 4. Squaring erased the difference between positive and negative, and that's how we introduced an extraneous solution. This is why we always check the answer at the end. So the final answer is x equals 6, and we have to throw out x equals 1. So that trap is confirmed. One solution survives and the other gets thrown out. Hit that like button if you spotted the trap or if you just learned something new. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more math tricks and then click the next video popping up right now to keep sharpening your skills. I'll see you there.